Greetings from LBI, New Jersey. This is Jim Ferg from MarineMax. Today I'm going to show you our 2013 used Scout 275 LXF. Here we are at the bow of the 2013 Scout 275 LXF. Recessed anchor locker with windlass. Pop-up bow cleats. Grab rail. Forward seating, backrest in down position. Here we have the backrest in the up position. Underneath the forward seats, storage. We have in-floor storage here for the catch of the day. In the front of the console, insulated cooler storage. Behind the forward seating, on both port and starboard, you have storage for dock lines. Port side, you have access to the head. Starboard side of the console, we have a window for that head compartment, and we have freshwater washdown. Here we are at the helm of the 275 LXF. This boat's equipped with Raymarine multifunction displays, as well as Raymarine autopilot, and the ICOM VHF. This boat's equipped with the three-sided safety glass enclosure, as well as a phone booth style enclosure, nice for fall striper fishing. Here we are at the tackle center of the 275 LXF. You have 4 rod holders down below, 5 up top. Nice storage that drains. The sink. Tackle drawers. Also at the helm seat, this boat has the optional refrigerator package. Here we are at the aft in-floor fish boxes, both starboard and port. This boat has twin live wells, one on the starboard, one on the port side, matching. Here we are at the transom of the 275 LXF. It's powered by twin Yamaha F-150 4-stroke motors. Looking at our 2013 Scout 275 LXF. This is Jim Ferg from MarineMax. Call 609-494-2102, extension 12513. Or reach me at jim.ferg@marinemax.com.